Okay guys, so today I'm fishing. Today I'm going fishing. I'm taking y'all with me. So I believe today is Monday the 16th. I'm thinking, but I think we can probably get a fish today because here recently I haven't been getting none, or getting any. How about that? Some people wants to talk about my grammar, so I'll have some good grammar today. So hopefully I won't cuss today. I've had several baits lost here in the past few days. Let me fix y'all real quick. Here in the past few days, I've lost baits and everything, and today I'm going to try this bait that I got up there on my, it's a spinner bait with a, hell, I don't know right now. My mind's going through a lot of things, and I'm pretty focused on a lot of things, so I'm going to my wallet back in my pocket, and I'm gonna try and see if we can catch fish today. But if we can't, then I'll just take y'all everywhere else, and I'm gonna show y'all my campsite that I got and everything else. So y'all just hold on tight and get some popcorn. And people that get seasick, make sure y'all don't watch this. So, because pretty much I'll be out there at that island over there, and I'd rather y'all not watch what I do, especially if you think I'm gonna get in trouble for it. Pretty much there's like geese over there and everything else, but I'm gonna do that later on during the day, because right now I believe it might rain here in a few minutes, and I'm trying to get up here to the end of the shoreline where I'm staying, because I kind of want my lure back, and I don't want to sit here and relax about it. I kind of want to get it, so I'm gonna try and get that and see what happens. And I'm like really hoping that it's not on a fish. I'm hoping that it's on the floor of the shore so I can get it. But I don't know. I mean, sometimes, sometimes it's not always a good idea for me trying to get things that I used to had, because it's just material things, kind of. So I'm gonna try to get a fish today and see if I can fillet it. And pretty much y'all are going with me on this trip here. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, this right here, I had to stick a stick into this because my paddle broke, and I was like, well, I don't know how to fix it. So I done this, and now it's working pretty good, but I had to put some screws in it, as you can see, on both sides, to where it'll work, because when I didn't have screws in it, it kept on getting loose. So I was like, well, I'll just put some screws in it. So I went to my grandpa and I said, hey, do you have any screws? He said, yeah, I have some somewhere. So I just got screws in here and done that, so I won't have to sit and wait on this getting tightened up or something like that. So I just put the screws in there, and later on I'll take them out to break this down so I can put it back in the back of the truck at the end of the week when we leave. So let's try to get a fish today. How about that? If y'all have any questions or like anything, You can comment your question, or you can have a Facebook and an Instagram. So if y'all want to contact me on it, then you can. My name on Facebook is Jake Parker. The picture, it shows the same thing that's on Facebook for my profile on Facebook, on YouTube. And you can find me off of that, or, try that. And the same way with Instagram, just put in my name for Jacob, Andrew Crow or Parker or whatever, and you'll see the picture of me the same way as Facebook and YouTube, and that's how you can get in touch with me or something like that. So I won't have to stress about, if anybody's got any comments, because some people don't want to comment their question or answers on YouTube. And two, YouTube's getting so bad. If I try to flay a fish or something, YouTube will get mad, because, you know all about YouTube. They're rude and they don't care. So pretty much I'm gonna row over here to the end of the shoreline. I'm gonna try this bait out. Well, actually, some of y'all already know where I'm at, but if you don't, I'm at Mountain Lake Marina, and it's 13 miles from Fife, Alabama. So yeah, I come over here just for fun and for fishing, because I like fishing. And as you can tell from my country slang, I've been raised right-ish. But in my past, when I was adopted a long time ago, my adopted dad had died from heart failure and lung disease from smoking and drinking. And that's not gonna happen to me, because now I used to smoke and drink a lot, and now I know, not to be doing it. So, because I can see what it'll get you, and yeah, so I'm trying to stay prepared for that. And then that coronavirus stuff going around, I keep on hearing that it's just the same as the flu virus, but you just wash your hands, keep your hands clean, anything. But same way with me, I wash my hands before I put a dip in, brush my teeth, touch my face, whatever. This water, if I stick my hand in the water, that ain't gonna help none. So, I'll always make sure to go up to the campsite and wash my hands really good, like twice. I wash my hands like 3-4 times a day, just where I won't get sick. But I might have to multiply that to make sure, that I stay safe. And I'd recommend y'all doing it too, because, who knows? And they keep on saying it's supposed to last a few weeks or something, but I don't know. I don't know if it's true or not, because this has been getting worse here recently. I don't want my grandparents getting it. I don't want my ex getting it. I don't want anybody getting anything that I don't, that I wouldn't recommend getting. If it's baits, you can get it, stuff like that, but you know what I'm talking about. So please stay safe. No matter what happens, you always gotta stay safe. So today I'm gonna try this out, this lure out. I haven't tried this out in a while, so I'm gonna try this out real quick, see what I can get off of here. This is my way of casting, so please don't judge me. I didn't go too far, but it'd be okay. Oh, a little bit too far. I didn't see that coming. Alright. First cast didn't do so well. Try a second cast. There we go. Hoping I can get one sometime today. Might not be in the morning, might not be in the night, you know. Some people judge me of casting it too hard, you know. If it's light baits, I have to cast really hard to where, you know, I won't throw it short, because watch this. I'm gonna barely even throw it. It doesn't go that far, you know. I'd rather it go pretty far than just sit and wait. And as you can tell, I'm kind of wettish. Well, the reason that being is because water from paddling and a lot of other things, the sprinkling, and you know, I'd recommend you all to stay safe, like I said, because you never know. I mean, if it starts raining, I don't mind, but you know, my phone here, I'd rather it be dry than getting soaking wet. So if it starts raining, I'm putting my bag over my phone to where I can still video. Okay, nothing's biting right now, so I'm gonna try. I didn't go too far either, so. See if I can pull myself towards the over there at that bluff, please. I just rode over there real quick. I lost my bait over that way, right there. So I won't. I'm gonna have to do something over that way, so I won't have to. I want to get my bait back. So I'm probably gonna be dropping this bait down and see if I can get it somewhere up there. But if I can't get it, then oh well, I can get another one. But oh, and two, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and the little bell. If you want more content like this, hit that bell there. Click it really hard so you can see more of this. I mean, don't have to click it hard. You might bust your screen or your mouse or whatever, but make sure you leave a like and comment of how you want these videos to go. You know, some people like to judge because, you know, I do this. Sometimes I come down here and have fun, you know, but it's okay. It's really okay. So I don't have to focus about people being rude, you know. Yeah, it makes me mad because people think they own the world, but all this coronavirus and stuff, you know, it's time for people to step up their game and help other people instead of being assholes. And sorry for my language, but they are. So please subscribe, okay? I don't want nobody to miss anything, you know. I don't want, you know, anybody to think that they're going through things alone, you know. If you are going through things, let me know, and I'll talk to you. I don't mind one bit. Oops, sorry. But things happen, you know, and some people wants to say things about other people. Clean out from your own doorsteps before you come into other people's doorsteps, please, okay? It's not right. I'd rather be nice than be an asshole to somebody, especially that has mental and physical problems. I had this one guy up here, which now he's no longer on the campus, not because of me. I didn't tell on him or be an ass for him or anything. the security guard come up here and was telling him, look, man, you need to settle down, you know, need to be nicer or something, because if you're not being nicer, somebody's going to come up here and tell me. It's not going to be great for you, man. So I had to tell him too, because if I didn't tell him, he wouldn't, you know, he wouldn't have changed very well. And I kind of figured out that something was up, because he actually told me that his family had passed away because of this coronavirus. And when you hear something like that, even though you're not supposed to be around them, make sure you talk to them, because you never know. It's not right for some people leaving other people behind, especially if it's family. You know, hey, I have family myself, and I'd rather not be an ass towards other people, because if I was, I wouldn't be right here fishing right now with my grandparents. You know, my grandparents are really nice. You know, they might have problems, who knows. So I'm just telling you right now, you know, be the right person. Help other people. Don't stab them in the back. I'd rather not. Okay. As I talk, I mess up. Okay. Whoop. There's moss right here. See if that works. Usually it works, but if it doesn't, it'll be okay. I'm gonna row it this way. Whoops, sorry. Row up this way and see what I can find. Oh, what's that over there? It's green. Right over there at the weeds. If it's a lure, I'm getting it. Yeah, some people see things, some people don't see things. Well, I see things that I'd rather like than I want to go straight to it. Because if I go straight to it and it's a lure, I'll be alright. But if it's a bottle, oh, another thing, if you see bottles or something anywhere, please pick it up. I have bottles and stuff all in this kayak somewhere from it floating on this water. Alright. I'm going to check this out real quick. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, guys. Manners, please. What is this? Sure don't hit no rocks. Oh, it's a Coke can. Oopsies. I hate when I hit things. Yep, told you. All the time. All of the time. I'm hitting the ground right now. So I gotta get back out here. And then when I get on shore, I'll go around there and I'll pick it up. How about that? Is this thing still recording? I don't know yet. Yeah, it's still recording. Oh, sorry. My bad, guys. So yeah. Sometimes I don't think if I'm recording sometimes, so I have to check every once in a while. That way I know. Man, come on, fishies. Somewhere. Up. I'll let go of it. There we go. Let me turn around here. Alright. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Alright, right there. Right, heart. This is where I like to be right here, because I can see who's all around the campsite. You see that gray one right here? I'm right beside it, right not this RV, but the one beside it there. I'll show you later on when I go on shore. Which is not a bad thing, you know. They're all neighbors towards my grandparents because my grandparents knows all of them. This one here towards the water here is my mother's landlord. They keep on saying that he's a pain in the butt, but I don't think so. But who knows? I don't know him that well, so who knows? I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna set up this backrest. Oh yeah, that's much better. But who knows? You know, maybe he has problems. He told me that he had leg surgery yesterday, and he asked my parent or my mother if they could help with farming and stuff, but they denied it, I guess, and didn't want to do it because their house burnt, and you know, the church near my mom decided to help out with a lot of things, and it just left them with a bunch of chaos, and the church decided to have a problem with it. What's that, fish or turtle? Not fish or turtle. What is it? Oh, I know what that is. It's a rock. Who knows? Who knows what that is? That's a turtle. That's a turtle, alright. That's a turtle. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, be nice. You know, if you be nice to other people be nice to you. You know. There's an old saying, which I'd rather. Hold on, I could have had a fish. I was getting nibbles. Right in the target. Oh, wait. Make sure the line's up. Wrong way. Wrong way, compadre. There we go. Oh, tighten it up a little bit. If I had a bead on this thing, that'd be awesome. But no bead. So, this thing was smooth. Now it sounds like it's got grit in it or something. Oop. Yeah, your trash goes in the boat. Every time you tear something off your boat, or you have a bottle, for instance, you don't throw it in the water. I mean, this one, for instance, it can float. I could let it float if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that because it's my drink. If I stay on the water for a long period of time. Right here, I mean, I don't mind, because right here is where I believe I'm gonna get one here in a minute. And this back thing is hurting me. I've had back problems for years now, and I don't want it to get worse than it already is. So I try to keep everything behind. Oh, I thought that was a fish. I was like, no way, I got a fish. But okay. I may not know where my stringer is, but I'm close to shore, so I can just put it in the boat and take it on shore. But yeah, I'm just blabbering now, so things happen, you know. I'm hoping I can get one sometime. I can see the ground right here, so I'm gonna pass this around. Right here real quick. I'm gonna go out here towards these boats because I saw a fish in a boat out here. I actually saw a couple of them this morning jump out here, out this way. I got these boots on, they're hurting my feet. Make my feet uncomfortable. See, I just heard another one, and I know where it's at. Not there, but it'll be okay. Man, why don't you not want to cooperate? That just sucked. Yeah, I got y'all in my life jacket. Just so you know. Alright. Right now it's time to kick back because my back's killing me. I mean, I could lay back, kick back and fish, but just get back and fish. But it'll be okay. I ain't got no problem. Alrighty. Let's see here. What to do, what to do, what to do. If I can get a fish out here, it'd be nice. I just can't sit still for some reason. I feel like there's a fish out here that just want my bait. I don't know why. Don't ask no questions. I just don't. I just want to know if it's the fish that I'm looking for. And if it is, I'll be happy. Because it took my favorite bait, and I don't want it to get away. I want my bait back. So, oh, wrong way. Let me just lower it some. Boom. This way, that way. Na 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 na. Yeah, yesterday I had the bait. It was a rattle trap, and I had it since I was 14. And I was like, hey, I'm gonna try it out here. And it actually worked, but I was having some difficulties with, light string, heavy weights, stuff like that. But now I figured out, use lighter weight for lighter string. Because if you use heavier weight for lighter string, you're going to break your string when you're casting it out. Or when a fish takes your bait, it's not going to be good because your bait's going to be gone. I learned that the hard way here recently, so I'm trying my best to wake up and smell the roses. I'm supposed to make you laugh some odd reason. So yeah. I got reel this in because I'm heading this way. That sucks. Man, check off my car. Yeah, is that grass? Yeah, that's grass. Up, shoot. There it goes. Manamino. Na na na. No. Sorry, I've got this humming thing in my head. I don't know what it is exactly, but pretty cool. I like it. Oh, comes some sprinkles. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Oh, yeah. My bait went out there in the water right over there. My other one I had, it's kind of like a rattle trap, but it's orange and you tie it in the front. But this one that I've had since I was 14, it was a baby bass looking type thing, and a big old bass took it. So, I don't know, there's catfish over here, there's bass, there's a lot of things over here, but I'm just going to sit back and relax and, hope for the best. And I'm hoping you're going to be happy if I take y'all for a ride with me. or so-called a float with me. So yeah, I hope y'all have it, have a good time watching me fish, stuff like that. And I hope it gives you the urge to get out, get outside, fish, whatever. But whenever you go back in or something, make sure you wash your hands 4 or 5 times a day. It don't matter. Make sure you wash your hands. Because if you wash your hands really good, it helps a lot. And you won't get this so-called coronavirus. But I call it the flu. Because, it's supposed to last like 2 weeks or more. And they're trying to find a cure for it. But apparently, I don't know. Donald Trump had done something over past, I don't know how many days, but he tried doing something. And he declared a national emergency or whatever, but, you never know what could happen. So that's why he's always prepared for things. That's why the president knows pretty much everything now. But I'm going to go out here to the shoreline. I'm going to show y'all something. I'm going to take y'all, excuse me, I apologize again. I'm going to take y'all over here real quick. I need to get out and stretch my back anyways, so I'm going to go out over here and show y'all a little something. Show y'all my baits and everything. And I hope y'all like what I do when I'm up here. I mean, if y'all don't like what I do up here, then that's alright with me. I ain't gonna get butt hurt. I'm just saying. So don't get mad. But I think I'm just gonna go right here. I just can't believe that darn fish took my bait, which sucks a lot, but it'd be okay. Oh, there's a rock there. Oh, that's a tire. I don't know what that is. I just don't want this getting a hole in it. Oh, there's rocks. Well, this is gonna suck because I have to stick my hand in cold water. So we get to the shoreline. This might look weird, but it's not weird. Alright, throw this up there. Or just lay it one. Alright. Yeah, I bet you can hear that. People doing stupid things these days because they think this coronavirus won't get to them, but it'll be okay. Alright, get out of this boat. My butt's hurting and my back is too. So, my booty hurts. Told you I'd get butt hurt. Man, these waves have gotten bigger. See all this stuff down here. Whoop, sorry guys. I need to tighten this down. Like I said, things happen. You get butt hurt every time. When that darn fish took my bait, I got butt hurt. Stuff happens. But it's another day, every day, another day. I know y'all probably saying you're doing it wrong. Well, I know that, but getting this side up first, and then put the string back here. See a boat somewhere. I need to see if I got water in there. Storage compartment, I know that. Get my baits in. Alright. Got somewhere for water. Okay. Tackle. I'm gonna go down to the dock for a little bit. I'm gonna fish out there and see what happens. I can't take my life jacket with me, but I can do something to hold y'all, take y'all with me somehow. Oh, fishing pole. Oh, man. I'm hurting. Shouldn't be hurting like this, but I guess I am. I'll get back in the water here in a minute. Always takes time. Alright. Some people might be sleeping down here, so who knows. I know my grandpa is up, and my step grandma, step granny is up, and my mama Linda is up, which they're probably going to wash clothes. So I think I'm going to drive the golf cart. I'm going to show y'all around probably. Do this. Stand this up right here. This out. This. It won't hurt to keep my bass in there. You heard there was a bubble in there. Gotta take that out sometime. Okay. Might set some lines out in that ball. Alright. Alright. Got it in there just in case it starts right there. Oh yeah. Going over here to the dock. It's just in my back pocket. Oh, stringer. Sweet. I was gonna do a daily thing, a daily video, vlog, whatever you call it, or whatever you want to call it. But there's more to come. You know, I got today's Monday. I got a full week, so we got here Friday. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty good week. I might have to go home Thursday because my ex's mother's gonna have some surgery, so I'm gonna have to go down there. So that'll be okay. I mean, I ain't gonna grab. You know, I've got everything else ahead of me. Alright. Let's see here. I think I'm just gonna go to the end because it's just how I like it. I ain't gonna drop it in yet. I'm just gonna look around, look at my surroundings, see what I can find. And it's shoreline spot. I'm gonna say very low, so I'm gonna have to be careful what I get myself into. Oh, there's that thingy right there. Alright, take a look around real quick. I went over there to the island right there, where that tree is, if you can see it. I don't think there's any fish over here. So, I ain't gonna try it right now because I'm not two-handed free, you know what I'm saying? And two, there's a lot of people going by, so I think I'll just end this video here and hope for the best. I'll see y'all on the next vlog. Please subscribe and mash that like button, comment, and have a good day. And I hope this has helped y'all along the way, and I hope this put a big smile on your face. And keep your hands clean. Love y'all. Stay safe.